So welcome to this Yoga Nidra journey. My name is Kelley, and for the next 15 minutes you will be hearing my voice. And so if there's anything else you can do right now to tend to yourself and make yourself even 1% more comfortable, take the opportunity to do it. Adjust your blanket or clothes or anything that might enable you to settle down a little bit more. And I'd like to warmly welcome you back into this space, into the beautiful shrine room, and warmly welcome each and every one of you and each and every part of you here to this journey that we will take. I would like you to know that every possible measure has been taken to ensure that you're as comfy and cozy as you possibly can be, and that myself and Buddha have got our eyes open and we're watching over this space to keep you protected and safe, so that you should feel comfortable to relax and settle down into your nest. Becoming aware of your breath or any sounds you can hear in the room, maybe picking up sounds outside of this room, and welcoming in these sounds and any sensations, allowing everything that arises to be here. And throughout this journey, remaining a compassionate observer of your experience. And so together, let's all take a big, deep inhale, and letting out a nice sigh or a yawn, and again a nice big deep inhale, and with every subsequent exhale, allowing your body to become softer. With every exhale, allowing your body to find a deeper state of relaxation. And exhaling and feeling the back of your body resting on your mat, on the floor of this building whose foundations are resting on the surface of our Mother Earth. Feeling the weight of the body holding you safely down upon the surface of the earth. And feeling the air being pulled in through your nose or mouth and hitting the back of your throat as it's pulled down into your lungs. And noticing the warmth of the air as it leaves again. Aware of the fluid of the body in the pelvis or the moisture in the mouth. And again, the weight of the bones and the body holding you safely upon the surface of this earth. And maybe now with each exhale you're imagining roots growing out of the back of your body and burrowing down deep into the core of the earth. With every exhale you're able to relax a little bit more deeply, and your roots are able to find their way deep and down into the depths of the earth, connecting you with the source of nourishment. And as you inhale, a sense of expansion and spaciousness through the front of the body. Inhaling and feeling the front of the body light like clouds, allowing you to expand out and into this space. And as you exhale, the body settles down and roots down deeper again. Inhaling and expanding the lightness, and exhaling and rooting down a little bit more deeply. And taking your awareness now to the crown of your head, inviting in sensation or visualizing the body part, Taking your awareness to the crown of your head as if somebody's shining a beautiful light on the top of your head. And then moving this awareness gently down to the space in between your eyebrows. Moving to the base of the neck. And across to the right shoulder. Down into the elbow. The right wrist. Right hand thumb. Index finger. Middle finger. Ring finger and little finger, all 5 fingers together, inviting in sensation into the whole of the right hand and moving back up the arm to the elbow and the shoulder and the base of the throat, to the left shoulder, down the arm into the elbow, into the wrist, to the left hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger and little finger, all 5 fingers together, inviting in sensation to the whole of your left hand, and then following it back up the arm to the elbow, to the shoulder, and back to the base of the throat. Travelling to the breastbone and across to the left breast. Back to the breastbone and across to the right breast. And finding yourself for a moment resting your entire awareness on the heart center, the space behind the breastbone. Before moving your attention down and resting at the navel, the sacred space of the pelvis, your right hip, your right knee, right ankle and all 5 toes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to the ankle and the knee and back into the hip, through the pelvis and to the left hip, down into your left knee, left ankle, all 5 toes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, your ankle and knee, hip, center of the pelvis, the navel, and back into the heart space. Awareness of the entire body and inviting in sensation into the entire body. Awareness of the entire body breathing. Awareness of the body breathing as you inhale out into spaciousness, and as you exhale, rooting you down with the floor and the ground and the earth. Inhaling into spaciousness and exhaling, feeling your connection with the earth. I invite you now to bring to mind a space, real or imagined, a space that you feel entirely safe and secure. You do not have to imagine a space at all. You're welcome to stay with the breathing body And if you find yourself in a space, you have everything there that you need. And as you look around, your whole body fills with a sense of safety and warmth and security. And if you're not in a space, maybe just bringing into your body a feeling of safety. Maybe a little smile upon the face as you look around and realize how good you feel here and how at peace you can be. Noticing any smells or sounds, anything you can see that helps you feel reassured. And as you look around the space, you realize that you are joined by a little child, a small child, and as you look over at them, you realize that you recognize each other. There's a sense of warmth and recognition and familiarity between you and this child, both of you happy and smiling to see each other. And when you gaze at each other, you're able to feel what they are feeling and tune in to them and know that they also feel safe in this space here with you. And as you walk towards each other, you can sense a loving kindness towards them, and they for you as well. And if you can't see this child in your mind, you just have a feeling that you are here with somebody and that you both feel safe in each other's presence. An unspoken connection between you both. And in this space of safety, you have the opportunity to do anything you feel like you need or want to do. Perhaps you want to play or talk, pick flowers or climb trees, tell stories. Maybe it's enough to just be in each other's presence. And you have the possibility to do nothing at all and just rest in this feeling of safety and security. A feeling of warmth and kindness between you. The time you spend together, enjoyable and peaceful for both of you. And you realize that now your time together is drawing to a close. And this is okay because you both know that the time you have spent together is precious, so maybe you want to say goodbye in whatever way feels good for you. And know that you are able to come back to this space whenever you want. The space of safety and peace and kindness is available to both of you to return to whenever you need to. But now it is time to part ways, and so you say goodbye and smile, and you leave this space now. Coming back to this room, coming back to the feeling of the body resting on the floor, to the feeling of the breath being pulled into your body and the sounds in the room around you. Maybe you want to touch some fabric that's close to your hands, or give yourself a little wiggle like a cat waking up from a nap, or even a little hum to bring yourself back into your body and back into the room. And to know that this journey of Yoga Nidra is now complete and you can come back into this room